Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to recap some of the strategies that I've been sharing with you here in the free videos, simply because they have the opportunity to be a rinse and repeat kind of strategy. You know, something that once you understand the foundation of, you can apply it in so many places. So from that video, we were talking about the unbalanced butterfly. Now, I would not have been able to tell you that ARM was going to go to 108 here, but we were able to look at this and think it will at least stay above 76. Or this is, you know, at least the way that I structured the trade idea, and it's a huge testament to the benefit of them, because what if you tried doing a call side fly at, you know, say 90? Or what if you had even done that call side butterfly up here at 100? Now, of course, so much of that will depend on where you open tomorrow, but it's just to say that, you know, when you exceed the body of your typical call side fly, you will start to incur a loss. And as we position these with the unbalanced butterfly, prices can move up as far as they want to, and we'll still make money. So that was a good spot for that strategy. And another spot that was even better was Disney. Now, when I say that the strategy is even better here, why is that? Well, because Disney is not up such a huge percentage, right? Disney is up just a little bit. So what's going to happen tomorrow when we open up? Well, the first thing is that the $100 put is going to get crushed, right? Because if the stock is trading at 104, which leaves it up about some $5 or $6 after hours, you know, those puts are going to lose value. But then the thing that you have that's somewhat of a benefit, again, depending on exactly where you open, is the 103 put may still have some intrinsic value. It won't at current prices, but say it eases off a little bit, well, then you're getting closer to your maximum area of profit. And these have been really repeatable strategies in the current environment, give you a lot of leniency in how you can make money, and I believe will continue to be helpful. So we'll see if there's some more earnings opportunities that come up later in the week to do this same rinse and repeat strategy once again. Otherwise, we'll keep looking for them and trading them in the options room, and then update again here in the next free video. So y'all have a great evening, and I hope to see you again soon. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.